plan on changing the chassis of your vehicle, you will be required to register the newly assembled motor vehicle with the Division of Transport. You can register your vehicle online using the DigiGov platform at digigov.govt.lc. After you have logged on, access the registration of motor vehicle service. During the application process, select whether there was a change in chassis or whether the vehicle was imported. If there was a change in chassis, provide the following supporting documents: proof of ID of vehicle owner, certificate of insurance for vehicle with new chassis, certificate of inspection for vehicle with new chassis. If vehicle or chassis was purchased overseas, provide customs declaration. If vehicle or chassis was purchased locally, provide receipt of sale or authorization letter from previous vehicle owner, suspension of insurance letter. If the vehicle was not deregistered by the previous owner, Transport may require you to visit the office with additional supporting documents. The final fee will be determined by a transport officer and is based on the weight of the vehicle. The processing time for the application for registration of new motor vehicle is 48 hours. If you require assistance with the registration of your vehicle, feel free to contact the Division of Transport or the SB office in Castries or any of the ICT centers below. DigiGov, serving people and businesses with that island love.